Here's what you need to do to get your perfect glitter lip. First, apply the base liquid lipstick color, then apply some metallic eyeshadows on top, maybe of different colors. Then a flaky top coat with your finger, then randomly place with a thin brush pieces of glitter primer and throw on some glitter on it. As for the chunky pieces of glitter, use a wax pencil to place them. And after that, cover your lip with foundation and just enjoy it, or you can fool around a bit. Easy steps to create this Holo Studs lip art. Gray lipstick on the upper lip, an ombre on the lower lip, lash glue to the upper lip, a wax pencil and start sticking the rhinestones, correct them with a toothpick if something goes wrong, then some Holo and sparkly pigments on the lower lip, carve the lower lip with foundation. Comment if you enjoy sparkly or holographic makeup. Here is how you paint a glitter lip art and tooth art. Black liquid lipstick as a base, then some random lines with the silver one. Apply tooth polish. Yes, this is a special tooth polish. First the base colors and then the glitter. After that, apply the glitter primer to the silver lines that you have painted and start applying different rainbow glitters. Carve the lips with foundation. Take someone by surprise with your rainbow smile. Find over 200 more lip art ideas in the lip art book in description. A super bright neon ombre lip, but with a dark twist. First, apply the orange and the pink lipsticks, blend them together for an ombre, apply neon eyeshadows, paint black raindrops all over the lips, cover them in glitter primer and black glitter, remove the excess, carve the lips with foundation, and follow me for more ideas.
This lip art is so much easier to create than it looks. Let's go. The blank canvas.
A grey lipstick for the upper lip, which seems boring at first, but definitely not in the end. You will see all the lipstick names on the screen, then the purple, magenta, pink, teal, and of course grass green for a fun and funky ombre on the lower lip. Then the lash glue for the upper lip to stick on the rhinestones with a wax pencil, and then using your nail because this is a non-sticky surface, unlike the wax pencil. Then the beds according to the Vlada MUA technique in between the rhinestones. And then in the lower lip, I love using Duochrome pigments and eyeshadows. After that, perfect your lip line with foundation.
And this is how you slay. If you want to say an extra thank you, I have a tip jar.
The easiest way to make a spooky lip stand out for the best Halloween makeup is to do an ombre using black liquid lipstick on the contour and the corners and blending it slightly inwards, then using a purple one on the empty spaces, leaving a slight gap in between where you're going to blend the ombre, carve the lips with foundation, apply dark holographic glitter. Would you wear the sparkly lip makeup for Halloween or for Christmas?